You sent it already? You went to my filming room? One, two,
I'm gonna get that knife. Oh, easy, easy, easy.
Good morning, Philippines!
It's all right for me. The house is safe. You heard me. I said you're safe.
Hi guys, ito na yun siya. Dito lang namin ito nilagay. Dami pa akong gagawin, hindi pa tapos. Pero yung time is ano pa naman, 11. My God, few hours, 4 hours more to go. Tapos na akong nag-vacuum sa mga sa wood floor. Pero ngayon is sa ano naman tayo? Sa carpet. Ito lang yun. Konti lang naman yung ano namin. Konti lang yung pagkain namin. Hala, ito si Tami, iniwan talaga. Ito naman si Tami talaga, ang buhay na to. Maluka talaga ako nitong taong to. Hotdog. Nagboil siya ng hotdog para sa ano. May ano kami, may kaunting kakainin. Pero ano ito para appetizer ba? Kasi may bata. May 14 years old. Paborito niya to pamangkin ni Tami. I still have to make garlic bread. Ito, paboritong garlic bread. Ano ng oras guys? 12. Hindi pa ako nakapag-busy. Tami hindi pa naligo. Pero ngayon, gagawa ako ng garlic bread. Garlic siya and then parsley. Lagyan natin siya ng oil. Ito yung palagi kong ginagawa every time doon sa isang bahay. Kahit walang mga gathering, walang mga party-parties. Palagi ko itong ginagawa kasi si husband, si Tami, gusto ng garlic bread. So, lagyan natin siya ng oil. Alam nyo ba, kay Laura Vitali ko ito natutunan. Matagal na, ang dami kong natutunan kay Laura. Yung si Laura Vitali, ang dami kong natutunan mga recipe. Ito yung oil. I-ano natin siya, may kausap si Tami. So, i-crush ko lang, ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya.
You think because you can sneak through that little cat door that you can go in there? You can't. That's not your... Sorry. You go through there, you catch it with unbothered. But you won't eat her food.
Ano siya, guys? Look guys, yan siya. I guess gagawin ko na tong garlic bread. Kasi andito yung magluto pala si ano dito. Kapatid ni Tami magluto ng lasagna. Lasagna ba yun? Iwan ko basta. Itong bread na gagamitin nyo guys is sobrang, ito yung ginagamit ko. Oh. Makikita ko ito sa ShopRite doon sa New Rochelle. Ito siya. Italian bread. Ito siya. Italian bread from Gigi Casoni. Gigi Casoni. Kahit anong bread, basta kay soft at saka yung gustong-gusto mo. Kasi may mga bread kasi na mga sobrang tigas na iwan ko na lang. Ito, sobrang sarap itong gamit. So, pagkatapos niyan, gamitin natin cheese is mozzarella and then parmesan cheese. Yung parmesan cheese is para magbigay something. Basta mas masarap itong parmesan cheese. Wala kaming fresh, yung ginaganon mo. Powder na siya. So, yun lang yung gagamitin ko. Ito siya, guys. Ito yung inano natin kanina. Yun, i-spread ko lang siya dito. Yan, i-close ko siya. And then, wrap it. Ilagay natin ito mamaya sa oven. Nag-dip na yung oven. So, ilagay na natin ito. 10 minutes. Yan. Ito na yun siya. Yuck. Itong hotdog ba? Ang sarap nito. Grabe ito siya. Yan. Sarap. Ito yung resulta sa garlic bread ko. Ang sarap niyan, guys. Grabe. Sarap yan. 10 minutes yan. Okay, natapos yan 10 minutes. And then, pagkatapos, di ba, hindi siya brown. Ang ginawa ko is, ano siya, broil it high. And then, you have to keep eye on it. Because, or else, you're going to have a very dark bread. You don't want it. Cut natin siya. Ilagay natin siya dito para later. Ang gagawin na lang natin is i-heat natin siya sa oven pang madali ang ano lang para hindi siya masira. So, yun. Okay, yun. Yun. Garlic bread. Ay, ang sarap. Ang sarap kahit hindi ko kinain pa. Kasi alam ko talagang masarap ito. This is not a party, guys, okay? This is not a party, but look. Expect all the time with Tommy. You want knife, honey? No, you cannot put it. This will.
Let me open all three.
Yeah, here.
Okay.
So, nagka-problema kami sa ano, guys, sa hindi na ni Tami na malaya na nagka-problema siya sa ano, refrigerator sa baba. Sauces of So, nagka-problema. So, yung in-order namin na pagkain, na ano siya, buti na lang hindi nasira, nilagay namin sa garage para maginaw kasi mas maginaw pa sa labas kaysa refrigerator. So, yun yung nangyari. So, ngayon, i-preheat namin yun and then ilagay dito sa mainit na something para painit. What are you doing with this?
Popping candles right now.
What's the ziti? The cheese.
This definitely should come with extra sauce. I don't know what the hell you're thinking.
He doesn't ask you.
No, I should know it. But he should automatically. I should have did it.
You can call him, hey, bring the sauce.
Yeah, calm it off.
Sorry, take the time for this thing.
Give him a day, get close.
I think people just like.
Hey, if you have a business, I would be having business in this holiday.
Most people don't, there's not enough money in it for them to be out there. And they're taking time away from their families to watch $50. Okay, so
Pops, can you just get down, God? You have to leave that food over there when Andrea is ready to whatever. And you are ready also. That's very quick, right? That one. And the
well, except it's ice cold now, so
and mine thing is a quick thing too, so. send this already? You went to my filming room? Your face. Look at your face. I said, hand picture. Mom is cracking up when you were like making the face. Look at this, guys. I showed this to you, right? I will put this somewhere here. What movie is that?
Well, it's only appropriate on Santa Claus. You should be sitting on my lap.
Itong kaliwat ni Tami, naghintay kami dito. Sabi, 3 o'clock pero ang tagal. Palagi silang ganon. Yung sabihin mo na ganon yung oras na mag-start. Hindi darating. 1 oras pa darating. Nanonood na lang kami dito. Nanonood na lang kami. Look at him. Meron pala akong mga clips sa GoPro. Nanonood na lang kami dito ng Frozen. Nagloko pa yung player. Kain na lang tayo ng cheese. Cheese. Sarap ng cheese nito. We have to open this. Okay, hold on. How to open those things over there?
We're swapping this one, new spread. I'm about to get it in.
Cappuccino or just regular milk?
Okay, can you open this? The 1, 2,
I'm gonna get that knife. Oh, easy. Play the Thomas. I mean, that's a who's short. Yes, please.
Okay.
I told Tanya.
Decaf over here. You want me to get that?
Decaf. No, Ray doesn't want decaf.
After all, it's done. Empty. Clean up a little bit. I clean up some of the mess. Gamay, konti na lang dito. Hala, nandun pala si Roxy sa labas. Kaluka naman ito eh. Ibalik ito sa basement. Yun, ang daming mga, ay nako. Kanina guys, ang kalat dito guys. Ang dami talaga guys. Ganito kapag mag-ano talaga. Which Oreo? Why there is an Oreo here? This is so weird. Kasi wala kaming Oreo. Ay, ginoo ko. Ha? Ziploc bag. Okay. So anyway guys, maglilis lang kami and yun, ang dami. Ang dami.